Hello everyone, I'm here at Tech Motorsports, and let's start episode 5, which is going to be the installation of the helical gears on the hubs for the VANOS timing, and going through that whole procedure. So let's get started. Okay, so now we're starting with clean helical gears. So there are no markings on these. If you do purchase new ones, which you can get them from, I forget what company, you can get these already pre-done. You don't have to do them yourself. But yeah, so here we go. So we're going to start from scratch. So this is technically starting from scratch of what we're at. If I would have cleaned this hub a little bit and made it look more like that, I would have no markings at all. But we're gonna go ahead and leave that marking in there. So you have two different sizes. You have the actual shafts themselves. The short one is for the intake and the long one is for the exhaust. So we're gonna start with the intake, okay? So I'm still in TDC and I got my cam locks in place and my hub rotates. So to do it and to get it right, you wanna rotate the hub clockwise, and then it's just time to try to find a spot. There we go. So as I stated before, the sweet spot, this is what we're looking for, and what we need to look at is the full insertion of the helical gear inside the actual cam and the actual hub itself. So that right there is where it needs to be. So this way, when the system is being activated and the VANOS is engaged, you're going to get full advance. If you have it and it's off, you will not get full advance. So that's where I want it to be. So now I'm going to take my mark and just run it off of this one right here. I'm going to pull this out. And there's my mark for the intake cam. Now let's work on the exhaust. I think I found it already. So I always double check, pull it out, turn it, and then she slides right on in. So with this one, because of the tabs that stick out, you want to just look down at it and you can see that you're technically close to these lines, and that's just pretty much as far as it's going to go for the exhaust cam. So then to mark it, just pull it out, and now it's going to take a little bit of cleaning. And there we go. That is the markings for a correct time VANOS. So from this point forward, all you have to do is just apply the VANOS system, which we'll go through here in a few minutes. Okay, this will conclude this episode of the VANOS timing. Again, my apologies for the mic issue. Just went bad, had to replace it. Hint the one that's on my on my shirt here. But like always, help the channel out, like and subscribe, and hope to see you in the next episode.